It's Nia B, braids of one slaying these hoes, soft like a knotless, all the way to the toes. Nia do it better, but you hoes knew that though. Go ahead and subscribe. What y'all waiting for?
Good morning, y'all. Today is Friday, August the 19th. TGIF, because I'm tired. I have got to stop staying on the phone with my man so late because I've been tired all week. Anyways, on the agenda for today, we have one head of medium knotless. Ooh. Excuse me, I just rolled over. We have one head of medium knotless. She wants like the big mediums where the actual plait is a little thick. She wants them to her waist and she wants curly ends, so that should be simple, easy enough, in and out in about 3.5 hours. Only because I feel like I'm gonna be working a little slow because I'm so tired. And I'm gonna do the unboxing of my new salon chair. I just got a new salon chair today, so I'm gonna unbox that, and then I have 2 people that are supposed to come and pick up my other 2 salon chairs because I decided to sell those because of course I don't need 3 salon chairs. And that's really about it. I want to soak my nails off, so I may do that today as well. But yeah, it's Friday. I try not to pack my Fridays because I like to be done. On Fridays, I like to be done by at least 1:30, 2 o'clock. To be honest, I don't like to be up there all day on a Friday. So yeah, we're about to get dressed. I may make coffee at the suite. It depends on how late I'm running because I did lay in the bed a little longer this morning. So, but I'm about to get dressed and we're about to head to the shop. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. So I made it to my suite and I really forgot that I have to bring that big behind box up 2 flights of stairs. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that now because I have a tendency to, when I get done doing hair, I get extra lazy. So if I don't do it now, I probably won't do it at all today. So I'm about to go back downstairs, get the box, bring it up here, and then start to prep for my client. Alright, so y'all, I was definitely talking in this portion of the video, but since I had my TV so loud, y'all really couldn't hear me over the TV. So I'm gonna just do a little voiceover and kind of explain to y'all what I was saying in the video. So first, I don't know what I said just then, but I did cut it open with my nails, and it came right open, and I was like, who needs scissors when you got nails? Hello. Yeah, I said something like that. So anyways, right here I'm just opening up the box, and I'm just about to do a quick unboxing for you guys to show y'all what all came in the box for the chair. These are the instructions. It was only about 5 or 6 instructions on here, so bless you. So that wasn't too bad. I was looking at this thing like, wow, it's huge, but it's really not. It's the same size as the other one. It just looks extra big for some apparent reason. Next, we had the armrests. There's 2 of those, of course. And then I think this is the seat of the chair that I was picking up next. Yeah, I think that's the seat. And then the next part was the backrest. It's crazy because it don't seem like this whole chair fit in this box, but it definitely did. We have the footrest, and then that last piece was the like the tools and stuff. So yeah, that's it.
Everybody do that dance and nasty, but yeah. Nasty. Hey man, fix things, loopings. Well alright then, from you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. And a blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Alright y'all, so I was laying down chilling, watching YouTube as y'all saw, but I just texted my nail tech and asked her if she happened to have any availability for me to get a soak off. My nails still look good, don't get me wrong, because you know my nail tech is the best or whatever, but I don't know, I'm just ready to get these nails off my fingers. And I just want to be a little nubby nub for a minute. So I just threw on some clothes. I threw on some jeans and my little Simply Southern t-shirt and some flip-flops, which I don't know because I think well, it's not raining, but it's probably about to rain. But anyways, yeah, I just threw on something. I'm gonna go here real quick, get my nails soaked off, and then come back home and get right back in my little spot right there and lay down and finish watching YouTube. So yeah, just wanted to update y'all real quick.
Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit by.
Alright, we have made it to the end of this vloggy vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see y'all in the next video.